Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name's Victoria, and today I thought it would be kind of fun to do my boyfriend's makeup. This is Seth.
Hello.
He's been on here a few times before. He's super excited, if you can't tell. I've got like two different palettes that I'm going to be using on him. This is the Anastasia World Traveler. It's like super old, and then this is Ace Beauté Blossom Passion palette. And yeah, we're just going to try to mess around and see what I come up with on him. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So I'm not really going to be like talking too much about the process or anything because this is just kind of for funsies. Nervous?
Yeah, I'll put stuff on my face.
This is the foundation, so it's going to go okay. It's a little pink for you, but it's the closest thing that I got.
It just feels weird.
Hey, relax, relax.
It's easy for you to say.
You're like this.
I believe you.
I'm moving you all around. Make sure you're in the good lighting. Why are you blinking so much? What's wrong with you? This way.
This way? Like how much?
Sounds good.
I just don't know when to breathe.
Oh, normal. Just breathe whenever you want. Wow. Flawless, even complexion almost. This is concealer. Look up.
Okay. I'm looking up. Oh, I hate it.
We have to highlight and contour so we make certain areas more apparent than others. And then this more peachy ones to correct those nice dark circles you have.
You're like all in my eyelashes. I was like,
this is every day for a woman.
I can't stop blinking.
Look at you with no dark circles.
It's weird.
I know, look how well rested you look. Interesting, huh? A thought. No, you can't do that.
Yeah, it's got an itch.
You have to pat whenever it's an itch.
I like this one.
Yeah, it's nice. Just gonna go in there and give you a bronzer helmet.
Why?
Because you got a big forehead.
What? Why would you say that?
I mean, it's true.
It is
You
a
can't
regular
take away
size
what's.
forehead.
We have really large hands, though. 5 of my fingers.
4 of my fingers, so it's proportionate to my body, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna take that out.
Stop. Your jawline's pretty good, but we're gonna go under it and make it even more defined. Look at that.
Oh, jeez.
He is beauty, he is grace. So next we're gonna go ahead and do your eyebrows. Are you excited for dinner tonight?
Hell yeah. Heck yeah.
I'm gonna use the rest of this pencil and you have to throw it away.
It just looks like I'm giving you a funny look.
Count
Like I'm
all
raising
off.
one of my eyebrows at you.
I'm filling in your mustache. See one side of your mustache full and one side of it not?
Yes.
Does it look weird?
Yes.
Do you prefer it though?
Of course.
I've been trying to convince him to dye.
You
Let me
can't.
dye his
You
mustache and he won't let me, and I want to dye his mustache. And or his eyebrows. Because they're very light. What?
And my eyebrows.
They're just so light. We're gonna prime your eyelids. Okay, now close your eyes and try to relax. It's gonna be cold. So pretty.
The mustache is so off-putting.
Okay, relax. actually just pulled out the Modern Renaissance too, because I need to use this gold shade on him.
Need to.
Need. So the upper part is done, so I just got to do underneath now. Now we're going to eyeliner. This is liquid, so I'm going to need you to try and be still. Just try not to move too much. Don't look up. It's the only thing, because it'll transfer the black all over your eyelid and you'll be upset. Look down more somewhere.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna stab you. Look at yourself. Look what you just did to yourself. Look down, you're transferring it on your eyelid. How about you close your eyes?
I feel like we should have started with this.
No, it has to be the last thing.
It's not eyeliner, me closing my eye.
Oh. Well, I don't get accurate as much when your eyes are closed.
Eyeliner is by far the worst part. This feels so weird.
Okay, keep your eye open for a minute. Don't look like that. If you look like this, you're not going to see the work because you're hiding it. You see all that you did?
See, I see.
We're going to try and fix it if we can. Okay, don't move. Okay, looks like it never happened.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Alright, I think I have a part that you're probably going to hate more. Mascara. Has anybody ever put mascara in before?
Mm-hmm.
No?
It's also weird because I can just watch you almost stab my eye like every time you're just like, yeah. Taking all this off is going to be so much fun.
Look at you, you're like blonde Freddie Mercury. So now we're going to do some highlight and some blush on you. Yes, girl. Get your highlight popping. This way, I got to do your other cheek now. Nose. Blush. Now for lips. Would you prefer to do like a nudie color, like your skin tone, or do you want to do a bright red lip?
I think we should just do the red.
Okay.
People want red.
People will get the word. The wood.
The wood.
I don't like how that looks. I'm gonna fix it.
Feels weird when stuff falls in my lips.
It'll like dry down. And you can't feel it. Last and final step, I'm gonna spray your face with setting spray.
What about the eyelashes?
Oh, that's right, I do have to put eyelashes on you.
You're welcome.
You're right, thank you. Lashes, and then setting spray, and you'll be all done. Don't close all the way, but just look down. I'm going to feel probably very strange.
If I like look up, I can feel it touching my eyebrow.
I'm actually pretty proud of how your makeup is turning out.
You didn't think it would look good?
I didn't know how it was gonna go. Like, I didn't know. Sometimes I get really nervous doing makeup on other people. Your shirt feels really good though. Smells good, it's nice and relaxing. Got some rose water in there.
That's what it smells like, yeah.
I'm so proud of my work. Look at you, look at my client. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the finished makeup look on him. Wow, close your eyes. Ooh, that nice natural glam. Oh, you so cute, girl. Oh, it's been filming this whole time, I promise.
Yes.
Alrighty, you guys, that's gonna be it for us today. Did you enjoy any of it? Did you enjoy the process of it?
It was okay.
It's like irritating, yeah.
Yeah.
And like itchy sometimes.
And tedious.
It is tedious.
Eyebrows are very tedious.
I go back and forth. I really like to make sure people have like nice eyebrows.
I don't think I would do this.
Every day? Like a woman does?
No way.
Well, it must be nice to be a male.
Why would you say
Because it's true. Anyways, do you think you look pretty?
that? Sure.
Do you think I did a good job?
Yes.
What would you give me out of 10? Don't you give me 10, because I swear to God, I don't make kiss ass.
I don't know. It's coming from somebody who doesn't know anything about makeup at all, and you said I can't give you a 10 or not.
Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you thought it was like somewhat comical, and hopefully we'll see you soon and he'll be back on here, and I'm gonna try to get him to do my makeup, so we'll see how that turns out. Okay, you guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.